Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how you can improve your English listening skills by using simple and engaging stories. Do you ever struggle to understand English when people speak fast? Do you wish you could enjoy movies, conversations, and stories without missing a single word? The key to improving your listening skills is not just hearing words, it's truly understanding them. And one of the best ways to practice is by listening to simple, engaging stories that allow you to grasp words and phrases in context. This approach helps you improve not only your listening, but also your pronunciation, vocabulary, and comprehension skills. By consistently practicing with stories, you'll start to feel more confident and capable in understanding spoken English. So, whether you're listening to an interesting story or watching your favorite TV shows, remember that each word you hear brings you closer to mastering English. I have a sister, and her name is Olivia. She is 21 years old, and we share a strong bond. We live together in the same house with our parents. Olivia is not just my sister, she is also my best friend. We have spent our whole lives growing up together, sharing countless memories, and supporting each other through every challenge. No matter what happens, I know she will always be there for me, just like I will always be there for her. She's my constant, and I couldn't imagine life without her. Olivia has shoulder-length wavy black hair that shines in the sunlight and deep brown eyes that are warm and full of kindness. She's a little taller than me, and her cheerful smile has the power to brighten up any room. Whenever she walks in, her positive energy makes everyone around her feel happy and comfortable. She has a soft and gentle voice, and when she speaks, people naturally want to listen to her. There's a calm and soothing quality to the way she talks that makes everyone feel at ease. Olivia is very kind and always ready to help others. Whether it's a small favor or something big, she never hesitates to offer her support. She listens patiently when someone needs to talk, and she gives the best advice. She always makes sure that everyone around her feels valued and appreciated. Whenever I need her, she is there for me without question, and I do the same for her. Our bond is built on trust, love, and understanding, and I feel incredibly lucky to have her as my sister. She brings out the best in me and reminds me of the importance of kindness. My sister is a university student, and she is deeply passionate about her studies. She is majoring in psychology because she loves understanding people's thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. She finds it fascinating to learn how the human mind works and why people react in certain ways. Her favorite subject is human behavior, and she often shares interesting facts with me about how emotions influence decisions. Olivia hopes to use her knowledge to help people in the future, whether as a therapist or a counselor. She has a natural talent for listening and offering advice, which makes her perfect for this field. She's going to do amazing things with her skills and heart. Aside from her studies, Olivia has a deep love for writing. She keeps a personal journal where she writes about her thoughts, ideas, and creative little stories. Writing helps her express herself, and sometimes, she shares her journal entries with me. I always enjoy listening because her words have a way of painting vivid pictures. Her stories are thoughtful, and they make me think about things in a new way. She also loves writing poetry, and some of her poems are so beautiful that I think they should be published one day. It's incredible how she can turn her feelings into words that resonate so deeply with others. Besides studying and writing, Olivia is passionate about music. She plays the guitar beautifully, and her soft, calming voice makes every song sound special. Whether she's playing a familiar tune or experimenting with new melodies, she puts her heart into every note. In the evenings, we often sit together, and she plays songs while I listen. Sometimes, she teaches me a few chords, but I mostly enjoy just being there, soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. These moments are some of my favorite times of the day because they remind me how lucky I am to have a sister like Olivia. Her music is like a breath of fresh air, and it makes everything feel right in the world. Olivia is also very adventurous and full of energy. She loves exploring new places, whether it's a quiet hidden cafe in the city or a scenic hiking trail in the mountains. She has a deep appreciation for nature and enjoys being outdoors, feeling the fresh air and taking in the beauty of the world around her. On weekends, we often go for long walks together, discovering new parks, gardens, or even historic sites. She always encourages me to step out of my comfort zone and try new experiences, whether it's tasting a new dish, visiting an unfamiliar place, or simply taking a different route home. Her adventurous spirit inspires me to see the world with a sense of curiosity. One of Olivia's biggest passions is baking. She loves trying out new recipes and creating delicious treats for our family. Her favorite thing to bake is cookies, and the kitchen always smells amazing when she is baking. She enjoys experimenting with different flavors and decorations, making every treat look as good as it tastes. Sometimes, I help her in the kitchen, and we have fun mixing ingredients and decorating cakes. I love watching her work because she puts so much effort into every little detail. No matter what she makes, she always shares it with everyone, and it makes our home feel warm and happy. Her baking is one of those simple joys that bring our family closer together. Even though we are very close, we sometimes have small arguments. It's completely normal for siblings to disagree from time to time, but what truly matters is how we handle it. We never let the disagreement linger for long. After the argument, we always make sure to apologize, talk it out, and move forward. Our bond is strong enough to overcome anything. We know that no matter how small or big the issue is, it's our relationship that truly matters. We have supported each other through so many moments, both happy and tough, and that deep connection will always be stronger than any disagreement. We've learned that no matter what happens, we are family, and nothing can change that. Our love for each other is unbreakable. Olivia is not just my sister, she is my inspiration. From the moment I met her, I could see her bright, determined nature. She is hardworking, intelligent, and full of life. She puts her heart into everything she does, and it's inspiring to see someone so dedicated to their goals. Olivia dreams of becoming a psychologist one day to help people with their problems, and I have no doubt that she will achieve her dreams. She has always been so interested in understanding human emotions and minds, and she knows that helping others is her true calling. Every day, her passion for her field grows, and I admire the way she approaches life with a sense of purpose. Olivia's ability to empathize with others is extraordinary, and I often see her go out of her way to lend a listening ear or offer thoughtful advice. She brings a sense of calm to those around her, and her resilience in the face of adversity motivates me to approach life with the same strength and positivity. Not only does she aspire to help people, but she has also already begun making a difference through small acts of kindness and support, whether through volunteering or simply being there for a friend in need. Her commitment to making the world a better place is one of the many reasons I look up to her. Olivia's passion for understanding human nature doesn't just inspire me, it pushes me to be more aware of my own emotions and the way I connect with others. She is a true role model in every sense, and watching her pursue her dreams with such grace and determination fills me with hope for my own future. Her passion for understanding people's minds and helping them is something that motivates me to be better every day. Olivia has a natural ability to listen and provide thoughtful advice, which makes her someone you can turn to in times of need. She always knows the right words to say, and her calm presence makes others feel at ease. Her positive and empathetic outlook on life inspires me to be kinder and more understanding toward others. It's incredible how she connects with people so easily and makes them feel valued. I can't help but want to be like her in so many ways: compassionate, strong, and always ready to lend a helping hand. What I admire most about Olivia is her positive attitude. No matter how difficult things get, she always finds a way to stay strong and hopeful. She believes that every challenge is an opportunity to grow, and she encourages me to think the same way. When I feel discouraged or uncertain, she reminds me to keep going, to believe in myself, and to never stop chasing my dreams. Her words always lift me up, and her actions inspire me to work harder and be a better person. She is not just family to me, she is my best friend, my biggest supporter, and my ultimate source of happiness. Through every challenge, joy, and change, she's been by my side. From the small moments of laughter to the more serious times when we face difficulties together, Olivia has always been there, offering her love and strength. No matter where life takes us or what paths we choose, I hope we will always stay close. The bond we share is unbreakable, and I know that no matter how far apart we may be physically, we will always have each other in spirit. Our connection goes beyond just being siblings. It's a deep, soul-level understanding that transcends any distance or time. Having a sister like Olivia makes every day brighter, and I am endlessly grateful for her presence in my life. Whether it's her voice cheering me up during tough days or the way she effortlessly brings joy to any room, Olivia's influence is something I treasure more than words can express. Her laughter, her kindness, and her unwavering love are some of the greatest gifts I've ever received. She has taught me the value of being patient, kind, and resilient. Through every challenge we've faced, her strength has shown me that even in the toughest times, we can find light. I can't imagine navigating life without her by my side, and the thought of having her in my corner forever is one of the greatest comforts I could ever ask for. What makes our relationship even more special is how we find joy in the simplest moments. We don't need grand gestures to feel close. It's the little things we do together that mean the most. Whether we're watching our favorite TV shows, enjoying a cozy afternoon in the living room, or going for a walk around the neighborhood, it's those moments that strengthen our bond. Even cooking meals together becomes an adventure, and we laugh at each other's little mistakes in the kitchen. These simple activities may seem small, but they bring us so much happiness and connection. They remind me that it's not always about what you do, but who you do it with, and I couldn't ask for a better companion in life than Olivia. Conclusion: listening to English stories like this helps you improve your understanding, pronunciation, and confidence. The more you listen, the better you get. With each story you hear, you're not just learning words and sentences, you're learning how to express yourself and connect with others through language. So, keep practicing, keep listening, and step by step, your English will improve. And just like the bond one share with Olivia, your connection with the language will grow stronger, making every conversation and story feel more meaningful.